Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So you can see I've been doing the best as I can as usual. So today I've been working on, guess what? This thing, my trailer. Always working, never enjoying it seems like. Been working hard on it. Thought today, since I've been working on it a little bit, I'm gonna cover the electrical, show you guys, show you what's going on and everything, show you how I convert all this energy in here. Microphone's gonna probably pick it up. From my inverter to the batteries and everything, how everything works. I'll explain it little by little so everyone can understand, and how I get the power without using a generator. Basically, I'm using the sun. I'm gonna walk over here a little bit so maybe you guys can see it. All the solar panels on top of the trailer. That's how I get my energy. Take the sun's energy, convert it into battery power converts it into the 120. So let me show you everything that's going on and let's get to it.
Switch it up.
Once again, everyone, I want to thank everybody again for coming back to the channel and spending time with me. I know you got better things to do, but I just wanted to cover a couple things on this trailer I've been working on. 7x16 cargo trailer. I converted it myself, did all the work by myself, paid a lot of money just because I wanted to save some money. In the end, I probably should have bought another trailer. Big dummy. I just wanted to build my way. I couldn't find one, so I said, hell, why not? Let's do it. So I want to talk about the electrical system in the trailer. I want everyone to know that in the beginning here, I don't run a gas generator. Everything runs off these batteries. 4 100-hour lithium batteries. I got 4. They're in parallel, so that's 400 amp hours. As you can see, the battery cable that goes on them is 4-aught cable. I got them custom built in this cabinet that I built here so I could save some room in the trailer. Okay, this is where all the power comes from. Okay, I know I talk about that it's run from solar, but what it is I got 4 200-watt panels on the top of my trailer. This converts the sun power into energy. What it does during the day, taking all the sun power, converting it down, going into the solar controller, and it converts it into 12 volts to recharge my batteries. So everything I have in the trailer is technically running off the batteries. What the solar does, it allows to recharge those batteries. That's the big difference here. So I got no gas fumes, none whatsoever. So from the sun power comes down, and it goes into what I call the solar controller here. The solar controller here converts the high voltage coming off those solar panels, and it converts it back down to 12 volts. From here, the 12 volts goes back into what we call the links distributor. All my 12 volt accessories are hooked up to this from the batteries. I got from my water pump, my fans, my 12 volt fridge, everything runs off 12 volts. Okay, it's all connected here. Every 12 volt accessory is running over to here. Now, also, what everybody's wondering is, well, how do you plug in all those accessories? Well, I got a fuse panel here that I have all my accessories separately fused. In case anything, wire grounds out, shortage, whatever it may be, overload the circuit, these fuses are going to blow, and this is my 12 volt electrical panel. Okay, everything is done here correct, right. Also below it, and everybody asks is, well, how do you run the AC and everything like that? Well, what I have here is a 3,000 watt inverter. Okay, so what is happening is I'm taking my 12 volts energy from solar power, goes to the batteries, charges the batteries come down to the distributor, and then it's hooked up also to this inverter. What it's going to do is take my 12 volt energy and convert it into 120 volts. Okay, this is how I run my 120 volt accessories, which I got my microwave, small cooking dish over here. I got my AC on top. This is how I'm able to run all these accessories. I see my electrical outlets on the walls, my TV, everything runs off my 12 volt accessories. So I got a fan plugged in right now, running away, cooling everything down in here. Okay, of course over here I got my fridge, 12 volts. Okay, as you can see, everything's running right now. And what the great thing about this is all Victron equipment. What the great thing about this is the Victron allows you to control everything from an app. I plug into my phone here, I can screenshot here, let me put it up on screen, and I'm able to run everything off the app. I'm able to see how much sun power is coming in, how much voltage I'm using, and converting everything in this app. I also have on my little electrical panel over here, just a small independent standalone display. As you can see from here, 13.61 volts. I mean, the sun is out, batteries are charging, this thing barely uses energy. And like I said, everything is done right. 120 volt AC panel. These are for my 120 volt accessories, which, like I said, my AC, microwave, electrical outlets are separately independent fused. Everything is done right. It took me some time to build this electrical panel. I did everything right. I wanted a small footprint. As you can see, I have safety switches everywhere. Okay, I'm able to shut everything off with just the turn of a button, so I can sleep well at night knowing nothing's going on. All the circuits are shut off. You can see everything's independently wired. Nothing's jumped. Every accessory is wired separately. So if one outlet goes out, I still have all the other ones to go by. Like I said, everything is done right in this setup. Once again, I want to just talk about my trailer. It's 7x16 custom V-nose trailer, extended tongue on the axle on the front there. You can see my air conditioning, I got it covered up. Dual axle, dual 3,500 pound axles, allows me to carry anything and everything that I want. Again, on the inside, I got it set up to my taste. I got my kitchen on the left, I got my microwave in the front. In front of my kitchen over to the left, that big white wall, that's the bathroom, shower and everything. You see my AC up on the top there, split unit, and you can also see the bed, which I haven't finished painting. On the right is I got my TV, and I got my electrical cabinet, and I also got room for accessories. Technically, I do have enough room to put a golf cart in here. That's what happens. I wanted it built my way. And I got enough room and everything I want. Custom awning on the outside that I put that on myself. Windows I put in by myself. I've done everything I need to do by this trailer by myself. People always ask me, did you really build this trailer yourself? I said, yes, I did. From the fans in the ceilings to the windows, insulation, all the prepping. What else did I do? The electrical cabinet that we're talking about today. I mean, here's the finished product, but that was everything I hand did by myself, step by step by step. It wasn't easy, but in the end, it was a fun little project. I built it the way I wanted it. But, like I said, everything costs money, and I was just trying to save some.